Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $3.96 that I'm going to be putting into my wallet and into my envelopes and savings challenges. So I'm going to get started with that with some cash planning here. Sorry this is a little late, but I was tired, so I didn't want to film. And then I went to Disneyland yesterday, so I had the whole day was just done with that. And yeah, this is going up a little bit late, but you will have two videos today because I'm filming this right now in the morning, and then I'm going to film the other one after, and then that'll be posted later today. So two videos today, so that's exciting. I'm trying to catch up, but yeah, I've just been prioritizing just making sure I'm not exhausted. That's been the priority, and so I've been resting a lot. So all right, so I'm gonna put my wallet right here because I'm just gonna copy over what I did last time. So it was a 50, 3 20s, 10s. I had 5 of those, a 5, and then 5 ones. Yeah, but like after Thanksgiving, I was just so tired the next day. I didn't want to film anything. I didn't want to do anything. And then, I had to go get my new TV, and that was a whole adventure because I had to go ask my mom to help me and pick her up, and it was just a whole thing. So yeah, I was exhausted, and just other things that I did too. So no filming, just took a day off, and I'm trying to get back on it. But yeah, I have $3.96 to put into everything this week. Wallet is going to get $170. That's just what I usually put in my wallet for the week. So spending is going to get $30. Eating out is going to get $30. Groceries, $80. Coffee, $20. And then buffer, $10. Actually, this needs to go to the back because I've already spent this. This goes to the back. Okay, I have nothing in coffee. And then buffer, $10. So yeah. That is my wallet, 170 minus 170. Okay, so I'm left with 226. I forgot my 100 envelope. You know what? I already know I'm gonna put $5 in it, but it'll get more because I do have leftover money in my wallet. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna put 5 in there, and then I want to do another savings challenge, which is this one where you roll the dice. I'm gonna roll the dice twice today. Get the dice. All right, so we have 1 and 3, which 1 and 3 is a little paw print, so that's $2. Get a sticky note. $2. Next roll is 2 and 5. So that is a little bear. That's $3. All right, so I'm putting $5 in this challenge here. That's a good number to put in that one. I will be unstuffing this soon. After I cash stuff for the week, then I'm going to unstuff. I'm telling you, I'm so behind. So $5 in there. Did I subtract all this? Hold on. Let me just double check. Minus 170 minus 10. Okay, so I'm at 216, and those are all the savings challenges I wanted to focus on first. Now I'm going to go into my binders and do the priority envelopes right now for me. So I think 15 is going to be a good number for me to put in these priority ones. So I have extra savings, we'll get 15. Month ahead we'll get 15. In this binder, Go Wild will get 15. Go Wild. And Treat Yourself will get 15. All right, left with 156. So I'm gonna make that stretch into all these envelopes because I have a lot of envelopes. So I'm probably going to be putting 5s in mostly everything. Lots of 5s. Lots of 5s are going to go around here. So first up we have auto. which auto will get 5. Electronics will get 5. I just spent from that. Like I mentioned earlier, I did pick up my TV. I did finally buy my TV. So that was exciting. Emergency, actually will put 10 in emergency. Extra savings, I did that one. Furniture will get 5. Good month ahead. Rainy day will get... I'm actually going to put 10 in rainy day. Okay, that one's fully funded. Road trip is getting 5. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, 5. Travel, 5. All right. Do I have enough 5s? Do I have enough to do this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I think it should be fine. So next, let's do this one. Oh, this whole binder is getting 5s. I already know that. It's not like a super priority envelope or binder, so I'm just gonna put 5s in all this. So beauty, 5, clothing, 5. Costco, you know what? I feel like I could skip this. Right, so I already did 10 in those two. I feel like I can skip this and move this money somewhere else. This is gonna get leftover money from my envelope, from my wallet, which I do have some money that I have in here, so it's gonna get help basically this week, because since it was Thanksgiving, I forgot to like not budget so much for groceries for that week, and I should have like just not done anything for that week. But I'm just gonna X this out because I've been just eating leftovers and stuff right now, and I still have leftovers, so, but I don't want to eat leftovers all this week, so I definitely need grocery money, but I don't really need to put anything in Costco. Also, I'm not planning on going to Costco today, so, or this week, so yeah. We can wait another week. So family this week is getting 5. I feel like I messed up my count. I don't know. Gifts is getting 5. Home is getting 5. Household, 5. Pantry's already fully funded, and then Target's getting 5. Okay, so that's all the 5s there, and then I have just a couple more binders. So the remainder of the binders in here, which are Disneyland, which will get 5 this week. I'm going to Disney, even though I went yesterday, I'm going to Disney in a couple weeks with a friend. So definitely need to get some money in there. But I did use this money and I bought a pass. Let me show you the pass actually. I used my Disneyland money yesterday to buy this pass. It's a Sip and Savor pass, and you get to try different foods out there. So here's a little like guide. Like I want to try this macaron, probably this mac and cheese. But yeah, I used this yesterday. It gives you 6 passes, 6 items that you can try. So we actually I tried this drink. We tried that was okay. And then we tried the holiday mash. That was really good. So we only tried 3 things yesterday because we ate some other stuff that wasn't in this festival. And so I still have 3 remaining. So I plan on using this when I go. So I already paid for 3, at least 3, some of the food I'm going to eat when I go in a couple weeks. So that's good. Because this was like $46, 40 something dollars. I have an annual pass to the park. So we got a little discount on this, but yeah, this will pay for 3 items that I can eat or drink over there. So that's good. But I still do want to get, money in this. So I have 24, which I think that'll be, no, I'll have to put more money in. That's only up to 30. Because I do buy other things when I'm there. So next week I'll have to put a little bit more into that one. But for now, 5 is fine. Tires is going to get 5 as well, actually. Sorry. Let me double check my number because I feel like this is wrong. And sometimes when I talk too much, I forget what I did over here. Oh, it was correct. I was correct. even with all the sidetracking. Okay, good. So I have 61. I think in tires, I'm going to put 10 in here. This should be a priority envelope. I don't know why I didn't make this a priority envelope, but it should be. Next, I'll remember that for next time. Treat Yourself is done. Hobbies is getting 5. Fun is getting 5. Oops. Sorry, this is out of order because I messed up when I was writing down all the things. Okay, so 5 for fun. I wrote down 5 for Christmas, which that is correct. I'm going to only put 5 in Christmas for this week. It's just in a different binder. So yeah, 5 for Christmas there. And then holiday decor will get 5 as well. That leaves me with 31. Oops. Okay. So I still have a couple of savings. So first up, I'm going to do the cash stash one, which I won't have enough to color in a space. I do have 5s, but I'm leaving those open for now. So yes, I know they're there, just not working on those right now. I try to focus on the larger numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put, let's put 5, 10. I'm going to put 10 towards this one. So cash dash. Did I already do cash dash? Oh, I wrote things down wrong. Sorry. Okay, so roll the dice was 5. This is 10. Okay, that's right. Oh, and then I have this Treat Yourself, which I'm going to color in. I'll do a 10 because I only have 10 15s. 10 and 15s open, so I'm just going to do a 10 in this one. Okay, and then I have 11 left, so I'm going to do, this is a $5 challenge, so I'm going to do 2 of these, so that's 10. And then I'm left with $1, and that'll go in the dollar challenge. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, made that stretch through all of this. That's good. I'm just going to double check and make sure this still is correct because I feel like I kept messing up, but you know, who knows? Maybe I didn't. So we'll see. And if I did mess up, then I can adjust things, but let me just double check my numbers. I'm at 396, so that is correct. So now I'm just going to figure out the denominations. So auto this week is getting a 5, so that's 1 5. Electronics is a 5. Emergency is a 10. Extra savings is 15, so that's 10 and a 5, and then I have a 5 here, 15, 10. All right, and then I got a bunch of 5s here. Okay, more 5s here. 15, 10 and a 5, 10, 10 and a 5. And I got a few 5s here. A 10, another 10, a 5. Okay, this is 10, but I'm going to do 2 5s. So that's 1, 2, and then 1. All right, now to count the tallies. So 50, I have 1, 20s, 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And then 1s is 6. All right, and then I'm just going to multiply these. So 50 times 1 is 50. 20 times 3 is 60. 10 times 14 is 140. 5 times 28 is 140, and then 6. Perfect. Well, we'll see. 50, 60, 140, 140, and 6. 396. Yes, it is perfect. All right, so now I'm just going to write. Actually, no, I'm not going to write down because my little cheat on this is I can't go to the bank today because it's Sunday. That's where I messed myself up with all of this. But I was taking money back to the bank, and I have a bunch of like 5s and 10s and 1s. This is how I knew I could do this, and put it off a little bit. So I'm going to use that money that I was going to put in the bank and then just move the money like I did put it in the bank and move it to where it needs to go. But at least I have the cash on hand, so I don't need to write anything down because I already got the cash. Actually, the only thing I need to go to the bank for is a 50 because I don't have a 50, but I could pull that out of the bank from the ATM. I think they let you do 20s too. Yeah, you can get 20s from the bank, but I don't need 20s. I have enough. So the main thing was just like 5s and 1s, which I know at my bank from the ATM, at least one of the ATMs, I don't know if it's the one that's inside the bank or if the ones on the outside of the bank do it, but I know for sure the one in the bank lets you take out all these denominations except for 10s. So I need to see if that bank, the machine works that way on the outside, because that'd be cool. Because even I could just get 5s for all these 10s instead if I needed to, if I was really in a pinch. But yeah, I'm good. I have money that I was going to take back, so I'm just going to use that and then just move money, the money that's still in the bank that I didn't pull out, I'll put it where it's supposed to go for the money I was supposed to. Hopefully that'll make sense. It makes sense to me, so that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm going to be cash stuffing this amount after I go to the bank to get that 50. Then I'll be able to cash stuff this and film that and put it up. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed watching this little cash plan. Stay tuned for later today. It'll be a little later today, but I will be putting up the cash stuffing, so definitely check that out. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.